Something exciting is happening. It's finally happening.
We're getting new canvas.
Yep, we finally got new canvas for our boat, and our 2002 Sea Ray 410 Sundancer desperately needed it. We'll walk you through our new canvas plans before, and then show you the after results.
Wow.
Nice. Didn't we pick blue?
No. Honey, do we need new canvas?
We can make do for a couple more years.
A couple more years?
Sure.
Wait, how old is this canvas?
12 years old. I'll sew that right up.
Yeah, like last year?
I'll put a little patch on there.
Oh, like this one?
Yeah.
Like this one?
Yeah.
And that patch?
Uh-huh.
And what about this one? I can see the sun coming through.
I'll patch that.
You'll patch that up too?
I'll sew it right up.
So the time has finally come. We need to get new canvas for our 2002 Sea Ray 410 Sundancer. Like most boaters, we tried to prolong the life of our canvas as long as we could, but it's 12 years old. It is falling apart. We've done our best to keep it clean. We've done restitching, and it's leaking everywhere. It just doesn't look good anymore. Each year it seems to be getting worse and worse, and this year it just seems to be falling apart. And it's time to get new canvas. Pretty much every boat we've had over the years, we've had to get new canvas when we bought the boat. This boat, we got new canvas about 12 years ago after we got the boat. We switched out the whole setup, and you know, Captain Brian is 6'6", so we have to basically redo the canvas so that he can stand at the helm, and we've had to do that for every boat that we've had. So this canvas has actually lasted a very long time. It's kind of unusual that you can hold on to canvas for 12 years. We did our best over the years to prolong the life of our canvas, as most boaters do. What? We keep them clean, and we take it down during the winter storage, lay it out flat. We're just really trying to make sure that we can take care of our canvas as much as possible during the season and during the off season. We even had it restitched several times, and it's been, gosh, 12 years now that we've had this canvas, and you can see it's just really time. I mean, this year, we knew it was coming the last few years. We're like, oh man, this canvas is getting really bad. We're gonna need to change this out pretty soon. This year, it just seems to be absolutely falling apart. So a few tips if you're looking to upgrade your canvas. Give it a lot of thought. Think about how you use your boat. Think about what panels you need to have isinglass in, what panels you maybe want to put a U-zipper in. If you can, take a look at some other boats that maybe are similar to your boat model and see what they have, see what you like, see what you don't like. We did a lot of that thinking over the years. Clearly it was 12 years ago that we got our canvas made for this boat, so we've lived with it for a while, and we had a pretty good idea of the changes that we wanted to make to the layout. We're pretty much keeping the same layout, but there's a few sections where we are going to be making some changes so that it doesn't leak, or it just functions better for us when we're taking the pieces down and putting them back up. So we had the canvas guy out to the boat the other day, and he looked over everything. Captain Brian kind of walked through the boat and talked about the different things that he wanted to change when we redo it. Some of the things that we're looking to change are the front panels. We had these U's put in, which ended up being super leaky. So we're gonna have it so that there are smaller panels that we can just roll up and have the air come through without the U-zippers. And the middle panel, actually, we would never roll up because it was just really hard to reach, so we're not even gonna add that this time around. And then these side panels, we like to have the U's because we roll it up when we're cruising to get the cross breeze from both sides. We're keeping that because it doesn't seem to be a problem with leaking with the zippers, and we love having that cross breeze. Another thing that we're keeping is a few of these side panels that we have that are solid, that don't have isinglass, are great when the sun is kind of coming in on the side really strong and we can just drop it down and block out that sun. We like having a few pieces that are solid that don't have isinglass. We also have a full camper enclosure, which is kind of an unusual setup for a Sea Ray. We have a shore shade automated bimini system that was installed 12 years ago aftermarket. It's probably one of the few Sea Rays out there that has a setup like this. Because it's so specialized, we're going to keep this set up. We really like the fact that we're not having support poles around the back of our boat, and anything else that we would do to have full coverage in the cockpit would require some type of support pole, so we're going to keep the setup. But the one thing that we definitely are changing is we're getting rid of this blue and we're gonna update it with black. I really feel like black has a more modern look. All of the newer boats seem to have black canvas. So we're really looking forward to the whole color change. It's gonna be a nice new look for our boat. We're expecting this project to be several $1,000s. I actually don't even have the quote yet, but it is what it is. If you want to have a good canvas shop redo your canvas, it's unfortunately just something that's going to cost you. So we're going with a local canvas company that does a lot of boats at our marina, and we feel pretty good that they're going to be doing a good job for us. We're also starting this project at the end of the season, and I think it's going to work out pretty good because most canvas shops are super busy in the springtime. So we decided to wait until the very end of the season. It's mid-September, and they're going to get started soon, and they said they're going to be able to finish it before we wrap it up for the season, which will be the end of October. So that's it. We're excited to get this project underway. We're going to come back with the new canvas and kind of show you how everything looks after it's been done. And with the magic of video, we're going to fast forward to this project being complete. Hopefully it's that easy. Wow. December 2nd at the marina, getting ready to see the new canvas for the first time. It's really chilly, foggy, and everything's a little damp, not the greatest weather conditions, and oh my gosh, there it is. Wow, that's awesome. What do you think, honey?
Nice.
You happy?
Yeah. Nice. Didn't we pick blue?
No.
I was afraid of this. I was thinking that he might do this without thinking.
What's that?
The zipper goes behind the pole instead of it used to be out of the way of the pole.
Oh, okay.
But you know, so it's going to be a little bit of a hassle to unzip it.
Okay.
Because of that. He wasn't thinking of that, but it is what it is. It looks like it's nice and tight.
Yeah, yeah.
So it looks like it should stay dry.
It's really freaking wet right now.
Yeah. All right, we're definitely taking the tops home.
Yeah.
We got to dry the roller top.
So what's the plan?
Take it all down.
Sweet sound of new zippers. Bungees. Bug.
Spider.
Oh, spider.
Oh boy, the old canvas.
Oh, great.
Sell it on eBay, Granny.
Yeah. Good condition.
Yeah, sort of used. So we got down here, we checked out the new canvas, and Captain Brian is already taking it down, trying to dry off the pieces. We're gonna take them home. The top, we're gonna add Scotch Guard so that we can hopefully not have it leak next season. And it was looking really good. And that's all going to the dumpster. This is like the blooper reel. Oh my god. Oh god. So next up for us is going to be new deck flooring, choosing between carpet, woven vinyl, or an EVA C-deck kind of flooring. We've already made our choice and we're going to get it in the spring. So look for that video when it's up, and that's a wrap for us. The season is over. And he's literally wrapping the boat right now, right behind me.